Did you know a black journalist filed a news report from inside the Confederate Capitol the day it fell? April 3rd, 1865, Richmond, Virginia. The Confederate government had fled overnight. Union troops were pouring into the city, and Thomas Morris Chester, a black reporter for the Philadelphia Press, walked straight into the Confederate Capitol building. He sat down in the speaker's chair, the chair where lawmakers had voted, argued, and schemed to keep men like him enslaved, and he started writing his dispatch from right there. A Confederate officer found him and ordered him to move. Chester refused. He told the man the building now belonged to the United States. Chester had been covering the war's final months from the front lines, filing some of the most vivid first-hand accounts that survived from that entire period. His dispatches are real, they are preserved, and almost nobody knows his name. A man who had been considered legal property, writing history from the seat of the government that fought to keep him so. That chair meant something. Follow for the history they skipped.